Every day, thousands of people fall victim to cyber attacks, not because their systems are weak, but because their trust is. This is a story about how one simple click can change everything.
Okay guys, remember, cybersecurity isn't about systems. It's about people. Our awareness video should show that clearly.
Got it? We'll make it meaningful.
I'll secure files. Promise, walang makakahack dito.
Student Cybersecurity Scholarship. Legit kaya ito? Weird yung email address. Pero maybe okay lang.
Guys, nawawala yung mga files natin sa shared drive.
What? Check mo baka na-delete or na-move lang.
Naibigay ko pa naman yung email sa kanya, tsaka na-login ko na.
Wait, Darby! That's not the official IT email. Di yan legit.
Eh, mukhang totoo eh. Akala ko nakakatulong ako.
This can't be happening. We're supposed to raise awareness about this. Tapos tayo mismo ang naloloko.
Ha? Ano ba? Trigger na security alert. Ano ba nangyari?
Parang may nakahagot sa share files natin.
Or maybe someone inside was careless.
And saan pa yung credentials? Akala ko makakatulong.
Next time, always verify before you trust. Krisha, can you trace kung saan galing yung email?
Wait! Yung IP address? Galing sa log ng group natin?
What do you mean? Galing kay Elijah.
Elijah, sabihin mo ang totoo. Ikaw ba nag-send ng fake email?
Okay, fine. I sent the fake email. Ginawa ko lang yung para makita kung gaano kadaling maloko ng phishing. But it wasn't meant to hurt anyone.
It has said us? Alam mo bang may na-leak na student data dahil doon?
I just wanted to prove my research that the human factor is the weakest link.
You crossed the line, Elijah. Curiosity is fine, pero dapat may ethics.
Curiosity is good, Elijah. But without ethics, it becomes danger. Technology can be fixed. Pero once lang nasira na yung tiwala, hindi na yun may babalik.
I never meant to hurt anyone naman eh. Gusto ko lang patunayan na people are the weakest link.
We were supposed to teach people about social engineering. Tapos tayo mismo magiging biktima?
A few weeks ago, our team became victims of social engineering by one of our own.
In here, we learned that cybersecurity is not just about codes and firewalls.
It's about thinking before you click.
And knowing that good intentions don't excuse bad actions.
Cybersecurity begins with awareness.
And awareness begins with you.
Cybersecurity isn't just about protecting systems. It's about protecting trust. One careless click can expose more than just data. It can reveal how vulnerable people can be. Awareness is the strongest firewall we have.
Social engineering attacks the human mind before the machine. Every message, link, or promise can be a test of awareness. Stay alert, question everything, and think before you click.
A single mistake taught us the value of caution. We realized that curiosity without awareness can lead to damage no software can fix. Cybersecurity starts with the choices we make.
Technology can defend us, but only people can truly protect each other. Awareness turns fear into strength and mistakes into lessons. Together, we can break the cycle of social engineering.